Hey friends, here's a short tutorial on how to make this wire weave to decorate your jewelry. So check it out. So what I have here is a piece of 18 gauge wire and another piece of 22 gauge wire. This is the one I'm going to use for the wrapping. So I'm going to wrap it around the 18 gauge just like this. Then I'm gonna take my pliers and I'm going to get a good hold of all of the wires together like this. I'm gonna take the first wire and I'm gonna wrap it around it, then the next one, and it goes over and under. Notice how they are all going under and over, under and over. This is what it's supposed to look like. We're gonna try to make sure that they are as tight as possible, because if we leave some gaps, it's not going to look nice in the end. So the closer they are together, the better it's going to look. So I'm going to keep doing the same process, just one after another, wrapping it around the 18 gauge wire. And because of the nature of this technique, it tends to want to twist, like it tends to want to go around the 18 gauge wire. So what I do occasionally is just bring it back and put them straight. Notice here how I'm still working on it, and I can take my pliers and get a better hold of it to continue doing the same wrapping technique, just like this. I found that the 18 gauge wire and the 22 work perfectly, because if we use a thicker wire, it's kind of difficult. And here I'm just trying to make sure that they are straight. I can use some pliers to make sure that they are flat and straight as possible, just like that. And I know it doesn't look really good now, but we're going to whack it with our hammer on our anvil like this. And it looks so much better after you flatten it with the hammer. Now you can see a couple of mistakes that I did there where I didn't tie them enough. So that's why it's important to get them as tight as possible. Okay friends, I hope you get to practice this technique and that you can use it and apply it in your wire jewelry. I think it looks pretty cool except for those little flaws, but with some practice we can get it better. I think it's going to look nice on some of my jewelry later. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial, and I will see you soon. Give me a thumbs up and share this video. Thanks.